corner, said I see you. I will not leave you, I will not mislead you. Drop top when I come around the corner, girl, I see.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mezilinn, and today I did a tutorial on this look for you guys. It is an all matte, all neutrals eye look with a nude lip. I really love this kind of glam. I feel like this is awesome for every day, especially the days that I'm feeling a little bit lazy and I don't really want to think too much about what I'm going to do to my face or how I'm going to do my makeup. This is usually what I go for. So without further ado, if you want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching. Alright, so I'm gonna prime my lids first.
He broke your trust, baby. Put your body in motion. I wanna see your body in motion, girl. Put your body in motion.
So I'm gonna go into my custom palette. I cleaned it today. And the first shade I'm gonna go into is soft brown. And I'm gonna put that right in the crease with a fluffy brush.
You got a man, it's understood, I understand. Now tell me, girl.
Okay, the next color I'm going to go into is called Wedge, also by MAC. So now with a smaller, fluffier brush, I'm going to go in the crease again with the shade Wedge. And I'm going to place that right below where we put the first shade. And I'm going to go in with Wedge maybe 2 more times just to really deepen that color.
I just wanna please you. Drop top when I come around the corner, said I see you. I will not leave you.
Now I'm gonna go in with an even smaller, fluffier brush into the shade Brown Down, and that's also gonna go in the crease.
Put your body in motion. I wanna see your body in motion, girl. Put your body in motion. I wanna see your body.
We're gonna go ahead and do the lid shade, and I'm gonna keep it really neutral. And I'm going to choose a mixture of soft brown and the color Orb. Orb is a little brighter, so it's just going to brighten the soft brown a bit. I'm going to put down the soft brown first. And I'm just using a flat brush to lay down the pigment. Alright, and then right on top of that, focusing more towards the inner corners of the eyes, I'm going to put Orb right on top.
We ride like la 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 la. We ride like la la la. We ride like la la la.
Okay, now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and do a very thin line of black liner right along the lash line, just to kind of disguise the lash band and give the eyes a little bit of definition. I'm not gonna do anything too thick.
What it is, oh yeah, oh yeah, yeah, spit tray. Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna move on to the face. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my foundation with my beauty blender.
Trap can't get this bitch out my head, yeah. Bad gal, so that bumper happy wine. Skinny gal can't take it from behind, yeah. Feed you water so my diamonds really shine. Shorty wildin' so that other shorty mine, yeah. In my big body thumbing through these hunters.
Okay, now we're gonna move on to concealer.
Big gas nigga, yeah, we got a dozen. Coming home cooking, but I know she love it. I'ma keep on flexing till I pop a vessel. Y'all can't touch me, I'm on another level. That's a level. On my wristwatch, that's a bezel. 318 gang, we son right.
Run up on me, girl, I run up on you. 1, 2, 3, baby, we can do this smooth. Smoke this kush, we can take it to my room. Arch that back, let me see that booty move, girl. Ooh, nah, nah. Run up the check, flex on my ex, keep that to on protect. Ooh, nah, nah. Run up the check, flex on my ex, keep that to on protect.
Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eyes, and I'm mixing medium plus and medium golden. These are MAC Mineralize powders.
She call me all like, baby, where you at? I'm coming through, I'ma hit it.
So now we're gonna move on to bronzer and contour. So for my contour powder, I'm gonna be using the Hoola bronzer.
Sit down real smooth, baby girl, let me go and beat that boom boom. Riding around town in that new band school, yeah. All night got me loving your vibes, yeah. You can see the stars in my drop top roof. Drop them drawers, I can put you in your mood. Baby girl, let me go and beat that boom boom, yeah.
Alright, now we're gonna do some bronzer. Today I'm using a MAC bronzer in the shade Spring Bling. This was from one of their limited edition collections, so I don't believe that they have the shade anymore.
You better text me. If loving you is a crime, tell the police lock me up and arrest me. Ooh, la, call them like the drama.
Alright, now we move on to blush. And I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 color palette. I don't know if you can hear me back here. I guess I don't see why you wouldn't not hear me. Okay.
Smoke this kush, we can take it to my room. Arch that back, let me see that booty.
Today for highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. This palette is called Ultimate Glow. We're going to be using the shade Amber Gold, which is this one. As you can tell, I'm obsessed with it. It's like a rose gold shade, so I really, really love that one. So to highlight my brow bone, I'm actually going to use a matte shadow just to continue the all matte look. So I'm not going to keep the inner corner matte. I'm going to go ahead and add the same highlight, the Amber Gold, right to the inner corner. Now that the face is pretty much done, I'm going to go back and finish my under eyes. I'm just going to line my waterline with this brown pencil. And I'm going to take a clean flat brush just to smudge it a little bit. I want to keep it really, really close to the lower lash line. I don't want anything too smoky or too smudged out.
His old bitch a loser, now he fucking with a winner.
For bottom mascara, I always love to use a waterproof formula just because that way it'll prevent any type of smudging or running. So right now, I'm just brushing them up with a clear brow gel. I'm gonna take my MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint in the shade Spiked, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill in just the arches of my brows and a little bit in the front. I just do it right in the areas where I really need it the most. Now all we have to do is put on the lip. So for today's lip combo, I am using a brown lip liner by this brand called NABI. I feel like this is like kind of like my secret, even though I do know a few other artists that like use this brand and know about this brand. But I actually ordered these NABI lip liners from Amazon, and I forget how many it came in the pack, but you get so many lip liners for so cheap, and they're actually really good. I would compare these to like the NYX lip liners if you've ever used them. They're very similar in consistency and quality, so these are really nice, and they were super cheap for the price. So now you know my hidden secrets.
Bitches out and I ain't talking about no day. Crying about that nigga, why this pussy in his face. Been a topic of discussion before I started rapping. You niggas ain't never hit this shit, stop all that capping. How you say you wanna block but never see you trapping? Money meeting, you wanna lick, you gotta bring it cash.
So now I'm gonna use Peachstock lipstick by MAC. It's like a light peachy nude.
He wanna see a jiggle, his old bitch a loser, now he fucking.
And of course, we have to top it with a gloss. And I'm gonna be using See-Thru lip gloss from MAC.
He wanna see a jiggle, his old bitch a loser, now he fucking with a winner.
Okay. I think we are done. So this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Please let me know in the comments any content that you guys want to see. I hope to be vlogging soon, posting singing videos on here as well as makeup. So whatever you guys are looking forward to, definitely let me know so I can get started on that first. And other than that, always please remember to check in on your loved ones, check in on yourself. Your mental health is super crucial. And thanks for watching. Bye, until next time.
You say that y'all always fighting, oh I know. I want you to be my wife, yo. I would never